this sort of like overlearning the lessons of the AI winters that came before, when it's pretty clear like we're on a very, at least interesting trajectory, let's say, that should change the way we're thinking about the technology.
What was your fear? Like what was it that hit you that made you go, we have to stop doing this?
So it's basically anyone can draw a straight line, right, on a graph. The key is looking ahead and actually at that point, 3 years out, 4 years out, and asking, like you're asking, what does this mean for the world? What does it mean? What does the world have to look like if we're at this point? And we're already seeing the first kind of wave of risk sets just begin to materialize, and that's kind of the weaponization risk sets. So you think about stuff like large-scale psychological manipulation of social media. Actually really easy to do now. You train a model on just a whole bunch of tweets. You can actually direct it to push a narrative like, maybe China should own Taiwan, or, whatever, something like that. And you can train it to adjust the discourse and have increasing levels of effectiveness to that. Just as you increase the general capability surface of these systems, we don't know how to predict what exactly comes out of them at each level of scale, but it's just general increasing power. And then the kind of next beat of risk after that. So we're scaling these systems. We're on track to scale systems that are at human level, like generally as smart, however you define that, as a person or greater. And OpenAI and the other labs are saying, yeah, it might be 2 years away, 3 years away, 4 years away, like insanely close. At the same time, and we can go into the details of this, but we actually don't understand how to reliably control these systems. We don't understand how to get these systems to do what it is we want. We can kind of like poke them and prod them and get them to kind of adjust,